ang kaliwete. So, neither ang all business si Manny dito, ha?
He has
Shooting
always
off his
been,
right jab. At may binanggit sa atin si Manny Pacquiao just before this fight. Sabi niya, hintayin nyo yung aking kanan.
That's something that they're trying to develop together with Coach Freddy Lutz. Oy, Manny Pacquiao gets nailed with the right. Itong si Fasong Pirang, meron parang isinusuntok na pabigla, no? But Manny, nainis yata sa suntok na ibinigay sa kanya.
Mukha yata nagalit si Manny. Eto na.
And Fasong
Manny
Pirang
Pacquiao
gets
on the
attacked
attack.
by that right, Kinito. That right is hurting ito si Fasong Pirang.
Even kung hindi niya mapatumba si Fasang here in this first round, he's gotta keep his wits together.
Kinito.
Ito. Lead, no? Because he's got both his hands up. Oh, sandali. That's a knockdown. That is a knockdown.
Coming soon.
Parang basuka ito si Manny Pacquiao, no? Both fists churning, all guns blazing para kay Manny Pacquiao. And he's still standing, he's still fighting back.
Whoa! Leading with the right.
Yan yung artillery ni Manny Pacquiao.
And
The
Fasong
arsenal.
Pirang is in trouble. Kinito, this guy is in trouble. He's trying to back off.
Paiwas-iwas na lang ito si Fasan. Manny Pacquiao is mauling Fasan 3K battery. 3K battery.
Ito back dito sa ating bout. Round number 3. Manny Pacquiao trying to measure. Ito si Fasong Pirang with his right lead. Going up and down. Manny Pacquiao nails him with the left. Ito si Fasong Pirang got nailed, Kinito.
Well, he got rocked that time.
Pirot said, I guarantee you, if we have to go 12, we will go 12. Meron lang akong konting, nako, ito na. Under 5 seconds. At hilong-hilo si Fasong Pirang.
Yes, he's groggy. He got staggered.
Again, he will be lucky. Pero
He went down. He went down. Yes. Bagsak na siya napabagsak na niya na 2 beses ang kanyang kalaban.
Meron nagsasabi, baka naman si Manny kargahin itong si Fasong Pirang.
Hindi.
Again, hindi
I don't think so.
uso yan, ano? Ayaw natin i-risk yan. And Manny Pacquiao now, ang sabi nga naman, ano dito,
Oh, yes! One punch! The left hand!
The left hand.
Left hand!
That left upper, Kinito.
Parang upper yun.
It's an upper left.
Woo!
That nailed. This is the 3rd knockdown scored in this bout by Manny Pacquiao against Fasong Pirang.
At sabi ni Fasan, okay, lalaban pa ako. One punch brought down Fasan in this round.
Eto na naman. Goodbye.
And that's it.
Dito.
It's over. It's over. Manny Pacquiao, sensational knockout.
Win-workout lang yung kanan.
Grabe.
Ginamit ang kaliwa. Pamunta pa rin siya sa kaliwa niya. Anong
At
kailangan
hindi
niya?
malaman ni Fasan kung nasaan siya. Hindi niya malaman. At hindi niya nakita kung saan ang galing yung suntok ni Manny Pacquiao. What a sensational knockout victory.